All right, here is the wet to dry backpack. It's the Earth Pack. This is a 20-liter bag, front and back. If you have everything you need and you still have more space, all the way down. And then you come together and clip it, just like that. If you want to carry it like this, you have two straps for the top and the bottom, like that. It also comes with a phone case for waterproof and a little strap for that. Perfect for things like dineros, camping, anything to do with outdoors that you have possibility of getting wet. Keeps everything dry. You've got plenty of room with a 20-liter bag. And the backpack, the color helps because it stands out.